Riverside traffic 743 to Juliet, entering the left down for 27 Riverside.
We're popping
Right.
gear.
Gear.
Alright, gears coming down. Three green. Let me know if I need one notch now.
Yeah, we can go one notch.
One notch. 1700. Was it bumpy earlier with
Out towards March it was, yeah.
8 Celsius, 2.13 Celsius, altimeter 2993.
Riverside traffic 743 to Juliet, left face 27 Riverside.
There we go. Okay. There, finally. We gotta turn them on. Lights. Alright, 1500.
Slow her down a little bit.
Second notch. Yep. 500 feet AGL.
Riverside traffic 3 to Juliet, turn on final 27 Riverside. A little bit slow. So do you trust me with your plane now?
Yeah. Right on path. There you go. Yeah, I trusted you after the second flight. The only thing is Rock pissed me off one time because he fried. He did a climb and I kept my CHTs really hot. And I have
Really?
engine logs, you know? So,
Yeah.
zero cockpit landing. 3 green, prop full.
Yep.
Eat this hump, huh?
Yeah, I was like left past it.
1,000-foot markers right here. Yeah. Nice. There you go. High control.
Air controls.
Got the brakes.
Yeah, I always encourage people to do aerodynamic braking.